Hello, I am Sunil Singh and now I am going to cover the topic on pharmaceutical quality system. The content for this topic is going to be the importance of quality and quality system, good manufacturing practices, 5 values of good manufacturing practices, component of quality system based on FDA 6 quality system approach, management responsibility, quality policy, documentation pyramid, management review and quality culture. The learning from this presentation today will be how to measure, understand the quality and quality system, who is responsible for product quality, and what are the values of good manufacturing practices, what is importance of quality policy, FDA 6 system approach, and management responsibility and quality culture. So this is going to be learning after attending this presentation. Importance of quality. Now assume you and your family are here. What you do as a customer or as a user expect from the pharmaceutical product when you and your family is going to be used. In the case of medicines, the customer has no idea whether the medicine is actually going to do the job it has been advertised to do. With every single medicine, a patient takes what is practically a leap of faith, and they can only hope that whatever they popped into their mouth will treat them. Since the patient cannot ensure the quality of medicine, it is the responsibility of manufacturer to do so. Quality should be built into the product, and testing alone cannot be relied on to ensure product quality. This is a very big sentence and there is a lot of meaning. The testing cannot ensure the product quality until unless the quality system works together to provide a quality product. For any product to be a quality product, it must be safe and actually be the described product in identity, do what it promised to do, be reliable and consistent in its performance across its shelf life, and the product should be made well and made the right way. The product is always available when needed. Then we can say this is a quality product. So what is quality system? As simple as it may sound, assuring quality is not one man job. What you really need is a quality system. The guidance for industry quality system approach to pharmaceutical current good manufacturing regulations. The quality system is a formalized business practices that define management responsibilities for organizational structure, processes, procedures, and resources needed to fulfill product services requirement, customer satisfaction, and continuous improvement. This is what quality system. So what does the quality system do? The quality system achieve realization of product, they ensures the product's quality. The quality system is for the continuous development, quality system for the knowledge transfer. The quality system established through a good manufacturing practices. A well-built quality system should reduce the number of recalls or prevent the number of recalls, returned or salvaged product and defective products entering into the market. A quality system can provide the necessary framework for implementing quality by design, building a quality from the development phase and throughout a product life cycle, continuous improvement and risk management in the drug manufacturing process. What is best required into the our setup we must follow to meet the GMP requirement. This provides much flexibility, but also requires that manufacturers interpret the requirement in a manner which makes sense for each individual business. Now, what is current good manufacturing practices, which is called CGMP? The GMP is also sometimes refers to as a CGMP. The C stands for current, which is reminding manufacturers that they must employ technologies and systems which are up to date in order to comply with regulations. Systems and equipment that may have been top of the line to prevent contamination, mix up and error 10 or 20 years ago may be less than adequate by today's standard. So it is important to note that CGMPs are minimum requirements. Many pharmaceutical manufacturers are already implementing comprehensive modern quality system and risk management approaches that exceed their minimum standards. For example, use of old compression machine, blender without control, display of RPM, time and printouts. Now we have new technology to have better control to fix the RPM, blending time and all the parameters and get the printout as a evidence. So this is the current expectation by the regulators. Earlier, after 15-20 years, everything is getting recorded manually. Now it is coming as a software based control. So that is the current requirement and which is expected by the regulators. That's what we say current good manufacturing practices requirement. Why are GMP so important? A consumer usually cannot detect, as I said, either through smell, touch or sight that drug products are safe or if it will work. While CGMP required testing, testing alone is not adequate to ensure. Then what will happen? In most instances, testing is done on a small sample of the batch. For example, sample has taken 100 tablets and batch size is 2 million tablet. So 2 million tablet batch size, only 100 tablets has taken as a sample. So that most of the batch can be used for the patient rather than destroyed by testing. Therefore, it is important that drugs are manufactured under conditions and practices required by the CGMP regulations to assure that quality is built into the design and manufacturing processes at each and every step. Facilities that are in good condition, equipments that are properly maintained and calibrated, employees who are qualified and fully trained, and processes that are reliable and reproducible are a few examples of how CGMP requirements help to assure the safety and efficacy of a drug product. So that's why the CGMP is very important. How does regulatory agencies determine if a company is complying with the CGMP regulations? FDA inspects pharmaceutical manufacturing facilities, including facilities that manufacture API or finished product. Inspections follow a standard approach and are conducted by highly trained FDA staff. If company is not complying with CGMP regulations, any drug if make it considered adulterated under the law. This kind of adulteration means that the drug was not manufactured under conditions that comply with the CGMP. It does not mean that there is necessarily something wrong with the drug, but it is non-compliance with the CGMP requirements. Now I will discuss you on 5 values of good manufacturing practices. Those 5 values are safety, identity, strength, purity and quality. I'll go one by one. The safety. When we say the product is safe, the product is free of any unexpected side effect when it is used appropriately by the patient, then we can say product is safe. Identity. The product is exactly what the label and related material says it is. That is the identity. Now you tell me, is this product exactly what is labeled? It is a cough syrup, but composition is povidone iodine. Povidone iodine cannot be a cough syrup. Is that label correctly? No. This is one of the example which I just wanted to mention here. Strength, which is called potency. The product delivers the correct doses and potency over the shelf life of product. Then we will say the product is potent or its potency is adequate. Purity. The product is free from physical, biological and chemical contamination. Then we will say product is pure. And the last, the quality. The manufacturer establish and follow quality system to help ensure that their products consistently meet applicable requirements and specification. Here we are talking about the quality system. Quality system provide proper balance between two mandatory requirements, the CGMP quality and the product quality. If CGMP quality is not maintained, then there is no meaning of product quality. If CGMP quality is maintained and product quality is failing, then again there is a problem that in the system something is wrong. So there is a balance between these two. Now pharmaceutical quality system. For the pharmaceutical quality system, the first one is the quality manual. So quality manual is the documents which is the apex level documents, management thinking on quality system in the organization. A quality manual or equivalent document approaches should be established and should contain the description of the pharmaceutical quality system of the organization, identification of pharmaceutical quality system processes as well as their sequences, linkages and interdependencies. Process map and flow chart can be useful for ease of understanding into the quality manual. Management responsibility. In the quality system, the quality manual is the first document, then the management responsibility. The management responsibility contain all these things: management commitment, quality policy, which is part of the quality manual, quality planning, resource management, internal communication, management review, outsourced activity, change in product ownership. You see the management commitment. The senior management is responsible to ensure an effective pharmaceutical quality system is in place with the defined role, responsibilities, and authorities. Management commitment should be in writing. Quality policy, as I said, this reflects the intention of the management. It must be in writing and approved by the senior management of the organization. Quality planning, the senior management should ensure that quality objectives should align with the company's strategy and with the quality policy. Resource management, management should provide adequate and appropriate resources including manpower, financial, materials, facilities, instruments and equipments. Internal communication, timely and effective communication is important to make the responsible people aware about the development in the organization or system. Management review, periodic review of process performance and product quality and health of pharmaceutical quality system through the quality matrix. Outsource activity. The pharmaceutical company is ultimately responsible to ensure processes, system, procedures are in place to assure the control of outsource activities and the quality of purchased material through audit material evaluation or through the qualification of the suppliers. Change into the product ownership. When product ownership changes either through the acquisition, management should consider the complexity of this and ensure the ongoing responsibilities are defined for each company involved and the necessary information is transferred. Quality system through the product life cycle approach. If you see here, as per ICH Q10 guideline, pharmaceutical quality system. So there are pharmaceutical development, technology transfer, commercial manufacturing, product discontinuation, and GMP is here, the investigational product. Management responsibility, which I have already discussed, process performance and product quality monitoring system, corrective and preventive actions, change management, management reviews, which is part of the management responsibility. Knowledge management and quality risk management, part of the quality system procedure. See the pharmaceutical development. The ultimate goal of pharmaceutical development activity is to design a product and its manufacturing process to consistently deliver the intended performance and meet the need of patient and healthcare professionals. Drug substance development, formulation developments, manufacturing of investigational products, manufacturing process development and scale up, analytical method development is coming under the pharmaceutical development. If you say about the technology transfer, the goal of technology transfer activities is to transfer product and process knowledge between R&D, development lab and manufacturing site to achieve product realization. This is applicable for the new product transfer during the development through the manufacturing and transfer in between two different sites. Commercial manufacturing. The goal of commercial manufacturing include achieving the product realization, and the pharmaceutical quality system should assure that desired product quality is routinely met. Here in this section, your entire good manufacturing practices and systems must be followed. However, the GMP is applicable now from the product development to technology transfer, but in this case, at the commercial manufacturing, at each and every step must have been followed very critically. Like receipt of the material control, availability of the facilities, utilities and required equipment, and there is a production, manufacturing and packaging processes, quality control and quality assurance systems and procedures must be in place, material release, material storage and the distribution. Product discontinuation. For the product discontinuation, a predefined approach should be used to manage activities such as retention of the documentation and reports in accordance with the regulatory requirement for the product discontinuation. So as a part of pharmaceutical quality system, which is as per ICS Q10 guidelines, these are four important steps: development, technology transfer, commercial manufacturing and product discontinuation is called as a product life cycle approach. And what are the elements of the pharmaceutical quality system? The process performance and product quality monitoring system. The pharmaceutical company should have a system for the monitoring of process performance and product quality to ensure a state of control is maintained. An effective monitoring system provides an assurance of product of desired quality and also to identify the area of continual improvement. The pharmaceutical quality system should have corrective and preventive action. Corrective and preventive action resulting from investigation of complaints, product rejection, non-conformance, recall, deviation, audit observations, regulatory inspections findings and trained from the process performance. The effectiveness of CAPA action should be evaluated. Change management system. A change control process is driven by innovation, continuous improvement, the output of process performance and product quality monitoring and CAPA driven changes. The company should have an effective change management system to evaluate, approve and implement these changes properly. Management review on process performance and product quality, which I have already discussed. The detail about each elements are the part of other topics related to GMP, which will be covered separately. Quality culture, attitude and mindset drive the performance. So the performance model should be the attitude drives the mindset, and the mindset drives the behavior, and the behavior drives the action drives the results, and the results drives the performance. So the ability to monitor and shape the mindset is matters. Attitude is very important of the people who are working in the pharmaceutical industry. They must understand why GMP is important, why quality system is important, and more than that, we must follow the systems and procedures in place without any violations or deviations. Thank you so much. Dhanyavad.